This is the stuff now that's set out and drying. This is the these are reiki at the bottom there, which is 25mm by 50mm spaces. Then you've got some 50s by 50s there, some 100s by 25s, and some 150s by 25, which are, so you got reiki, then the next one 50 by 50 is reiki, and then 100 by 50 is 100 by 25. They are subflooring or on the roof, and you've also got 150 by 25, which is also subflooring on the roof. They can be mix and match, the 100s or 150s, doesn't matter, the same thickness. It's of no importance, it's just whatever you can get out of the timber at the time. And then over here we've got, this is more Dimovka, which is, these are all 150s by 25s. As you can see, 2 days under pouring rain and they're already dry. Beautiful. And then the main, this is the main meat of the stuff, for the main frame, which is 150s by 50s. There's a couple of 50 by 50s in there. That's the main stuff. A couple of 50s by 50s there. Sneaked in. But you can see it's been rain 2 days, and even stuff that's exposed at the end here, it's still drying out. It's no problem. It's all spread with antiseptic, so there's going to be no problems. You see, it's all under here. It's all dry. This is all dry. So, obviously, that's the way you stack it. So you've got a layer, then a spacer, then a layer, then a spacer, like this. And you leave the sides open so that, although it's raining from above, below, to the sides, you're still getting air traveling through. So even if it does get wet, even if it's like a major thunderstorm, it's still going to dry out. It's not going to do anything to it. And the antiseptic will help it. It's basically internal moisture of the timber rather than the outside of it, which is where the problems are. This, once it's thoroughly dried, I mean it's mainly dry already, it should shrink a little bit, but not much. Now see, these are the 2 blocks here. That there is 6 cubic meters, and then these 2 here together are 10, the 5 and 5. This is a bit lower, that's a bit higher, there's an extra cubic meter in there. So that's what, because it's all stacked in there. You see the amount of rain, it's raining again now. I see the amount of water that's laying from the rain. Absolutely horrible weather. I was desperately I was up at 6 this morning trying to get this finished up, and yeah, managed it. But yeah, look at the water here. It's unbelievable, the rain this time of year. And there's the other 2. And that's the last lot there, which is 150s by 25s Dimovka. So that's